The Ster-FX bin is a germicide tray designed for soaking instruments in a variety of solutions, including enzymes, detergents, phenolics, glutaraldehydes, and other sterilizing, disinfecting, and pre-soaking solutions. Pair up the Ster-FX bin with Zymax 128 or Zymax low foam enzymatic cleaning solutions to soak instruments before cleaning and sterilization. Dials on the lid can be used to keep track of when items are to be removed or when the solution needs to be changed. Interior tray features a perforated diamond design allowing for quick drain-off and easy transfer of instruments. Two-tier tray provides convenient hands-free draining. Hinged, fitted covers help prevent spills and contain odors. Available 1,000 milliliter Ster-FX Easy Beak measuring beaker makes measuring holding solutions quick and easy. Make Ster-FX bin part of your IPAC routine.